The goal of the game is simple. Get rid of all your cards first. To set up the game, place 2 cards face down in the middle. These will be your play piles. On each side of the play piles, place 5 cards face down. Now deal each player a stack of 20 cards. These will be your draw piles. Finally, draw 5 cards into your hand, and remember this, never keep more than 5 cards in your hand. Now that we've set up, let's do a quick demo. To start, both players flip the middle cards at the same time. Now, any player can play on either pile, but your card must be one higher or one lower, and suits don't matter. In this example, we have a king and a jack. On the king, you can play an ace or a queen, and on the jack, you can play a queen or a 10. Alright, so Una's playing her ace on the king, and Stacy's playing her queen on the jack. Oh, Stacy sees her second move. She plays a 2 on the ace. Uh-oh, looks like we've run out of cards to play. Replenish your hand until you have 5 cards. Repeat this step as necessary. Oh no! Stalemate once again. This time, we both have the maximum cards allowed in our hands. When this happens, both players flip 1 card from the side pile onto the play pile. Alright, let's keep watching and see if you picked up our tips. To recap, special considerations are: only play 1 card at a time with 1 hand only. 5 cards max in hand. Play 1 card up or down. If the side piles run out, reshuffle the middle into 2 new piles and keep going. And finally, first to empty their stack yells speed! And that's all, folks. Now may the fastest player win, which is me. P.S. If you're feeling extra competitive, at your own risk, slap both piles to win. Warning, we are not liable for any injuries that may occur.